lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, hi, my name is G and thank you so much for clicking this video. If you're my old subscriber or my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to see me. So today I am going to be tackling the most asked question about my dreadlocks. That is, how do I manage to maintain them? How do I manage to make them look healthy and shiny every single day? So that is why we are here today, because I am going to be sharing with you my everyday moisturizing routine for my dreadlocks. Without wasting time, let's get straight into the video and I hope you enjoy.
Bottle of wine will get me every time. But a phone call away and you're ready to be mine.
So the first thing I do when my hair is not very clean or I feel sweaty and sticky, I just want it to be fresh as if it has been washed, I will take my scalp and braid cleanse. This is a dry shampoo from ORS and a piece of wipe. This is just a normal wipe and I let it dry. You can let it dry, okay, so that you can be able to use it. I do not use anything that's got like cotton that will leave things on my hair. And I have my hair bands here. You can use hair bands if you like, and I will use this to cleanse my scalp. I hope you guys can be able to see what I'm doing. So you open it and my wipe ready here. So I am going to apply this all over my scalp. So you just section it like this.
Safe. Favorite mistake playing on repeat. Baby, let's feel every heartbeat. I'll be yours till the morning light. Right here in the moment, we're breathing life. Both of us.
Trust me, I know the amount I'm putting because I can feel with my fingers, and it is not my first time doing this, so I am used to this. So if you are not used to this, just get somebody else to do it for you, or you can just wash your hair, because its work is just to cleanse your scalp. So you can't go to the bathroom and wash your hair. Once you are done with this, you're gonna go ahead and take your wipe or whatever you wish, but I suggest a wipe. So you're gonna take your wipe and just start to wipe it off.
Favorite mistake playing on repeat. Baby, let's feel every heartbeat. I'll be yours till the morning light.
Second step now, moisturizing. I will take my spray bottle. If you don't have this spray bottle and you have dreadlocks, you must get one. Get yourself one. And this is my treatment. This is leave-in treatment by IC. Sometimes I use this one here, leave-in by Dew Point Naturals, but I like to interchange them. So today I'll be using this IC, and you just squeeze a bit of it inside here. Not so much, because I like to use fresh products every day, so I don't want it to be left in this bottle because I will pour it. So I just put whatever I need at the moment. And this is rose water. Rose water smells so good. I bought this rose water from Naivas supermarket at about 60 bob, 60 Kenya shillings. And then I'll take my warm water. I prefer using warm water. It's just my preference. You can use cold water if you like, but I feel like it penetrates better into my hair because my hair is very hard. I cannot emphasize enough how much important water is on your dreadlocks. Just like our body needs water, plants need water, we also need water on our dreadlocks so that they can become healthy and thrive very nicely. So I'm just gonna add my warm water in here, not hot, so that I don't burn my beautiful spray bottle. Cover it and give it a good shake. It's ready now. So just go ahead and spray my hair. This is how my hair looks before I spray water on it. I have a very thirsty hair, you guys. Remember, you don't have to use this specific bottle. You can use any bottle for as long as it can. Spray! Are you guys okay? All right, let's continue. I know you are fine. I know you're fine. You can now see that my hair has become very nice because it was so hard and it was curly because it was so hard. Let me just try and turn so that you guys can see. There we go. After moisturizing with water, this is the third step. I will take my scalp balm. It looks the same as the dry shampoo, but this is clear, okay? This is a dry shampoo, and this is a scalp balm from ORS as well. Oh, camera. I hope you can see, guys. Yeah, scalp balm. So I'll go ahead and put these all over my scalp. Only the scalp. So in order for me to know where I have put product and where I have not, I like to use these headbands to secure my hair like this. And then I will start from the back, working my way to the front. This product is so nice. It feels a bit like menthol. So I have it all over my scalp, and now I'm just going to give it a bit of massage. I'm always very gentle with my hair, very gentle, very gentle. Okay, so the next step is oiling my entire locks, because this is where they get so dry. This is where they get so dry, so you don't want to leave that unattended. And to oil that, I am just going to mix a couple of oils. Let me show you. These are the oils I am going to mix. Remember, you don't have to use all these oils. I'm just using them because I have them, and you can use one oil. If I was to use one oil from here, I would definitely go for these coconut oil from TCB. But if you have like a couple of oils, you can mix them, because there is whatever every oil brings to the table. Like, it has different benefits. So today I'm going to be mixing sweet almond oil from Dew Point Naturals and avocado oil. Avocado oil is so nice. It doesn't smell so good, but it is very good. Coconut oil from TCB and olive oil from Dew Point Naturals as well. So I just mix them here in my tiny bottle. So what you do, you just put on my palm like this. Like that. So basically I use this oil as a sealant, because I just put some water and rose water and leave-in treatment like you saw. So I don't want the water to dry up so quickly. I want it to retain the moisture, and I'm using this, let's say, as a sealant. You see that? My hair is wet, but it's not even dripping onto my clothes. My hair has sucked most of the water. So my hair is moisturized with water and with oil. How about my hairline? Some people suffer from hairline. I do not have a lot of problems with my hairline. I have some hair on my hairline, but sometimes because of the bonnet and the wraps, and you know, laying the edges with some products, so our edges become so weak. And to strengthen my edges and just to make them pop, this is what I use. I use black castor oil from ORS. It enriches and strengthens hair. So it is very thick. I don't like using very thick oil inside my dreadlocks, so I prefer to use this on my hairline. The oils I have shown you are okay. Just don't use solid oils. Always use liquid oils on your dreadlocks, my friends. Hey, you cannot use solid oils on dreadlocks. If you want to get build-ups, that is the way to go. But if you want to keep build-ups at bay, this is what you use. Liquid oils only. Take my dryer and put it on my head. Making sure that I put all my dreadlocks inside and then fasten it here. It's already plugged in the socket, and there, you start heating it. I do this because I just want the oils to melt a bit and to just get into my hair everywhere very nicely. If you don't have this kind of dryer, you can take you see that bottle where you put your oil, like this one, just to boil some water and then put this oil in the water, so you can use the oil when it's a bit hot. But if you have this dryer, the better. It's on a very low setting, so it's not going to dry my hair. Just a little bit of heat and I'll be good to go. So the last step that I always do is spraying my hair using, where is it? Here. I use this olive oil, and you can see with my color, well, not my skin color, my hair color is blonde. If I leave it that way, it will be as if the color is fading, like ni kama inaparara. So to give it that extra shine, I use this olive oil. You can find this olive oil just anywhere in the supermarket, in your local boutique. It makes such a big difference. Look. And then I just run my fingers through my dreadlocks to make sure that the sheen spray has gotten to each and every strand, like that. And then from there, you can style your hair the way you want and go and do your business. What do you think about my hair, guys? Let me do a 360 turn so you guys can see how beautiful my hair looks like after being moisturized. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a very big thumbs up and try and moisturize your hair every day. Not try, you have to moisturize your hair every day. So I'll catch up with you guys on my next video, and please subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, bye.